Right, no intro, straight to business. Decided to record our trip to the Nurburgring because it's always absolute scenes. And I want to look back in a few years' time and view the absolute helm that's been spending all of his money on cars and not buying a house. So, yeah, what's the time now? It is 3 in the morning. Got up at 1:30, quick bop down the M20 to the Dover to grab the old ferry, and yeah, we boarded in the old M3. Off we go.
Really good.
Really good. Update, made it to Germany, nearly crashed twice I think it was, something like that, but yeah, we're here, collecting the Clio, nervous, cash going to be handed over, and away we go, back in the game. Made it, spin you around. Bosh, she's back, she is back. We had a bit of a faff trying to get the gear selector to select all the gears, but bit of adjustment and we are back in the game. About to change the wheels. Weather is absolutely horrendous, so no track today. No, it is horrendous. It's
barely raining.
So yeah, we'll change the wheels over and hope for some dry weather and then go from there. Look, bosh. Right, so this is what we're here to rescue. It is Clio 172. Yeah, iceberg silver. Comes free with rust, so great. Box went and we had to leave it in Germany because didn't quite make it to the ring. So it's been at the Crown Performance for about a month. We had a new box shipped out and that's been rebuilt, so here we are, ready to go. Simple car really. Inside is bucket seat, wheel, stripped out. Very, very simple. And never works. Touch. But yeah, that's kind of it really. Bit of a shed. K-Tech exhaust. Got some intake that I've never heard of. Yeah, I think it's been mapped, but other than that, it's pretty simple. Does a job. Works. So, actually no, that's a lie. It does not work. But today we will work. Here we go. Obviously no lap today because it's wet, but yeah, tomorrow's looking dry. Fingers crossed. Got Aero 48s on, so that's a no-go in the wet. Dry tomorrow. Off we go. Right, we are back from laps. Success? Yeah. 2 laps done in the Clio. I think Dan done 4 in the BM, and yeah, absolute scenes. Grip for days. Clio works. I've got rattles, but that's just the Clio. Yeah, it's French. They rattle. Dan's BM. All of the grip. Serious. No good. Right. It's done. It's done.
Game's gone.
The game's gone. Head's gone. Battery's at 77%. So no, we good. However.
Do you want to grow up?
What do you mean grow up? Where's the cookies? Get them out and then shush. Are we recording? Here we are. All right. I'll delete that, so it's fine. But basically, what I'm trying to say is we're back now in the hotel room ting boom ting. All that.
Oh, fuck.
No. Language. Monetize. We can't do language because.
Sending me messages.
No. Money. We can't do money.
Bro, you haven't went off subs to get.
I've got 4. Mate, I've got 4 subs. We need to change the ISO to auto because it might be too dark for them. So we've got to actually raise the.
You are quite
here we go. Right here. Good morning, people.
Is it?
It's not even the morning actually. It's the afternoon now. Yeah. So after we got the cars back yesterday, we had an Italian, which was lovely. Got the maths wrong. Ordered half a bottle of wine by mistake. Had to drink that. Dan helped me, which is fine. And then walking back to our place. Bear in mind we're in the middle of nowhere. We started hearing this music. So we thought, you know what, let's go and find the music. Found the music, and it was a local football team that had this sort of area rented out, and had a bar popped up, and they were just having a good time. So we thought...
Insert B-roll clips here.
Yeah, I've got some videos, haven't I? Yeah. B-roll is coming. Let it be.
Tomorrow from about 10 p.m. we're going shopping.
Joined in. They bought us a few drinks.
Legends.
They were playing live music, some German Austrian music, some German music, which was great. Yeah, it got a bit carried away. It really did. Is it still on? It is still on. Yeah. They gave us some shots, multiple times. I was drinking rosé. Dan was drinking beer.
Cool guys.
They were cool guys. I think the problem was one of the youths was saying, "Oh, the Germans can outdrink the English." I was like, "Hang about, absolutely not." So I proved them wrong. I think we proved them wrong. Don't know. Are they up now?
I feel like they won. I feel battered.
I don't know. We'll never see them again, so I'm taking it as a win. Yeah. Time to go for some laps, I think. Feeling extremely fragile. Yeah. Active. So I've not even shown the gaff yet, to be honest. It's not great. This is Dan, and yeah, not feeling great. Here we are. We move. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Good morning. It is the final day, Monday. Heading back now. Car's all loaded up. Bish bash bosh. Oh, I've just done that again. what I was gonna say was gearbox is in the front, and that's that. I've just messed up my whole orientation. There you go. Lovely, thank you. Cool, yeah, 5-hour drive down to Calais now, pretty much. Trains at R4, probably will get stuck in traffic forever because it's Bank Holiday Monday.
It's not over here.
Yeah, but all the people from the UK coming back, I reckon.
What? Yeah.
Yeah, back to the ferry and then off we go. It's a journey. The journey is the film. See you in a bit. We're back. We've not left yet. Found a little problem. Well, it's not really a problem, but why is it doing it? Why? I'm gonna have to just turn right. Only.
Like Zoolander.
Yeah, alright, I'll work this out in a bit. Well, people, hang on, it's gonna be well windy. Right. We're cruising, we're in Germany. On the way back. 45 minutes done, another 4 hour 15 to go. The car is working. However, the radio only works when I do this. Yeah! Such a good car. In a bit. Journey done, absolutely sweating. Look at all that, disgusting. Traffic everywhere, carnage at the actual port as well. Absolute mission queuing for ages. Somehow, by the grace of God, we are on the original ferry. There's not a single L this trip, and I'm concerned because there's normally a lot of L's, but only W's. We're in.